In this video,
we will learn how to not get FPS drops in Fortnite on Potato PC. In order to reduce the number of FPS drops that happen to your Fortnite game, the things you can do are: firstly, you need to head into the folder your Fortnite is installed in. After that, head into the Fortnite folder. Then you need to head into Fortnite game, then binaries, Win64, then scroll down until you find the Fortnite client Win64 shipping.exe file. So after coming in here, right click on that exe file, go to properties. Now go to the compatibility tab. From here, make sure that you disable full screen optimizations, as well as go to the high DPI settings window and click on override high DPI scaling behavior. After that, press OK, click on apply and OK. After that, open up your Fortnite game, and in order to minimize the FPS drops, you need to change a few settings. So from the top right hand side, head to the profile section of your Fortnite, then click on the gear icon. After that, you will be redirected to the video tab. From here, make sure that the window mode is set to full screen, VSync is turned off, and rendering mode is set to either performance or DirectX 12. Now scroll down until you find the graphics quality tab and make sure to set everything from here to the lowest quality possible. Also, if you are supported NVIDIA DLSS, it is recommended that you turn it on so that the upscaling method can be utilized, and it will increase your FPS by quite a bit. After changing these settings, you can head into a game and your FPS drops will be reduced significantly. So this is how you can easily reduce your FPS drops in Potato PC in Fortnite. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.